welcome you to LOFA. I'm Jae-Young, and I'll be your host for today's event, first Global Knowledge Sharing Lecture in 2025. We prepared a video introduction for you. Let's watch it together.
In 1964, we were established on the foundation of the spirit of mutual assistance, helping each other in difficulties and sharing good things. We share a history of hope that we have created together, one that will endure beyond the present day as we build the future. Now, we are moving to become a world-class local finance specialized organization. From the first local finance specialized organization in Korea, we are working to become the best local finance specialized organization, embracing all local governments nationwide. We are always with you, whenever and wherever you are. We have helped restore hope in disasters and emergencies by maintaining reasonable membership fees, ensuring the financial stability of local governments. By returning the accumulated reserves of our mutual aid business, we have created various forms of the member support business to contribute to local community development. As a think tank in the fields of local finance, accounting, and contracting, we have further enhanced our professionalism through our more specialized and systematized local accounting and statistics business. In a country where everyone lives well, our vibrant neighborhood forms a beautiful landscape created through our regional revitalization promotion business. Our fair and objective feasibility study supports sound local finance through planned financial investment. Additionally, we have supported various international events with profits generated from our out-of-home advertising business and facilitated an ideal out-of-home advertising culture. We have diligently and consistently fulfilled our social responsibility to you. Now, we are moving forward into a broader world. Beyond being the first and the best in Korea, toward a global local finance specialized organization. Wherever you seek to go, we will vigorously take that path. For a better future, leaders of the Future Advanced LOFA. We are the Korea Local Finance Association.
Good morning, everyone. 안녕하세요. 네. Dear international students of Korea University and faculty and staff members of the school, my colleagues here at LOFA, it's my great pleasure to welcome all of you to the 2025 Global Knowledge Sharing Lecture. As you just saw in the introduction video, LOFA is dedicated to supporting the financial stability of the local governments and contributing to developing a sound local fiscal system. We also firmly believe that the exchange of knowledge and experiences across borders is essential to building more inclusive, innovative, and sustainable communities. Through this lecture series, we aim to share Korea's journey in developing local finance system, while also learning from your unique perspectives. In this vein, I'm delighted to have you, international students from Korea University, which is one of the most prestigious schools in Korea, joining us for this meaningful program. Your presence here reflects your commitment to learning, sharing ideas, and building global connections, values that lie at the heart of this initiative. I hope that today's event will not only broaden your understanding of Korea's local finance system, but also inspire fruitful discussions and lasting networks among all participants. I also would like to extend my gratitude to the lecturers, Dr. Kim and Dr. Cho, for their contributions to this program. Thank you once again for being with us. I wish you a rewarding and enriching experience. Welcome to the 2025 Global Knowledge Sharing Lecture. Thank you.